Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam. Today I am present before you after Eid vacation with an interesting English class with topic Unit 7, Lesson 4, Scene Part A, question number 1 to 3. I repeat, our today's topic is Unit 7, Lesson 4, Scene Part A, question number 1 to 3. Dear students, look here. This is our lecture number 6 and SW number 5th. This is our lecture number 6 and SW number 5th on our annual term syllabus. My dear students, before going to our main sessions, I request all of you to open your EFT book. That means English for Today book. This book, English for Today book, and page number 86. So all of you open your EFT book, page number 86. I hope that you have opened your EFT book, page number 86. So from our book we will start reading at first. After our reading session, we will go to MCQ, question answer and fill in the blanks. So at first our reading session. So all of you give your attention. River gypsies in Bangladesh are having various problems. First, Bangladesh is getting urbanized very rapidly. So look here, Bangladesh is getting urbanized, or day by day Bangladesh is becoming urbanized very rapidly. Gypsy people are losing their customers in the urban population. That means in urban population they lose their customers. Hence or therefore, however, their income is threatened. So look here, their income is in danger. Secondly, 24,000 kilometers of previous waterways has shrunk into only 6,000 kilometers in the country in dry season. So look at the keywords or word meaning of shrunk here, SHRUNK. So look at the keywords. Shrunk means became or made smaller in size or amount. Shrunk means became or made smaller in size or amount. Scientists believe that Bangladesh will be worst affected by global climate change. The unpredictable rain. So look here, the unpredictable, that means not predictable. Look at the keywords to know the meaning of unpredictable. Not able to be predicted. That means we can predict. Not able to be predicted. Rain and drying out of rivers have made boat movement heavily restricted. Thirdly, many river gypsies are changing their lifestyle in the context of changed reality. They are thinking of living permanent on land. That means they think to live on land. The authority feels that river gypsies need help to survive in the mainstream population. To survive in the mainstream population, look at the word meaning, to look at the keywords to know the meaning of mainstream. Mainstream means normal. That means they want to lead a normal life. Therefore, the government is offering voting rights. So look here, that means the activities which our government take, permanent housing and bank loan facilities. However, changes do not come overnight. Traditionally, river gypsies are used to water life. They have inherited from their forefathers. So look at the meaning, inherited. So look here, inherit means receive money or property as in here. So inherit means receive money, property as in here from their forefather, necessary life skills to survive in water. They have no education and training to adapt to mainstream modern society. Since they have no education, that means they cannot adapt or they cannot cope with the mainstream of modern society. So the authority feels the need to bring them under formal education network, but they have no permanent living place. Gypsy children are born and brought up on roaming boats. Therefore, they cannot go to conventional schools and hence or however, moreover, mobile board schools. Mobile board school, look at the term mobile board schools. In this connection, I will show you a picture. I repeat, mobile board schools. In this connection, I will show you a picture. So, dear students, look here. Okay, this is a picture of mobile board school. This is a picture of mobile board school. In the picture, we see that means children or students are learning their lesson on board. This is called mobile board schools. Are coming up for gypsy children. Some voluntary organizations are running special schools on boards to educate river gypsy children in some areas. So, dear students, these are our reading session. Okay, now we will go to our question patterns or question sessions. At first, MCQ. Number 1, choose the, that means number 1 represents the MCQ, choose the correct answer to each question from the alternatives given and write the corresponding number of the answer in your answer script. So, look at number 1, the word shrink in the line of the text means. In the line of the 4, so in the passage number line, 4 number line, we see that the word of shrink is, that means shrink represents the present form of the shrunk. The word shrink in line 4 of the text means. In this connection, we will go to the next page. So, look here, that means the meaning of shrink is become bigger and bigger, become smaller or less, become larger or more, become heavier or more. In the keywords or in the word meaning, I have told you or we have learned that shrink means to become smaller or less, to become smaller or less. Number 2, the word authority means. The word authority means option A, people at the helm of affairs. Here helm means the authority or they have the power to control everything. Helm of affairs, people at the state of disconnection, no. People of all classes, no. People from home and abroad, no. So, that means option number A is the correct answer. Authority means the people at the helm of affairs. Now, number 3, river gypsies in Bangladesh are dashed with various problems. River gypsies in Bangladesh are dashed with various problems. Look at the option, suffer, no. Beset, taking, doing. So, in this connection, if we look at the structure, that means R, after R, we need to use the present continuations of the main verb or the passive structure of the verb. Suffer, no. Beset, this one is the passive structure, or taking, no, this one is the not done, not appropriate answer. That means A, suffer, not appropriate answer. C, taking, not appropriate answer. D, doing, not appropriate answer. Now, we will look at the option number B, that means beset. Beset means surrounding. Beset means surround. Beset means surrounded like this one. So, river gypsies in Bangladesh are surrounded with various problems or beset. Number 4, how is Bangladesh urbanizing? How is Bangladesh urbanizing? Option A, slowly, B, firstly, C, first, and D, reluctantly. So, look at the option number C, that means first. We all know that Bangladesh is urbanizing very first. Now, number 5, during dry season, waterways turn into dash kilometers. During dry season, waterways turn into dash kilometers. In this connection, we will look at the passes shrunk into only 6,000 kilometers. So, look here, 6,000 kilometers. This is the dash of scientists that Bangladesh will be worst affected country because of climate change. So, look at the structure, that means after the, it will be the noun word, after the or determiner, it will be the noun word. Look at the options. A number, it is belief. B number, this belief is the verb word, believable, adjective. C number, belief, this one is the noun word, and D number, unbelievable. So, C number, noun word will be the appropriate word here, believe. Number 7, the word voluntary means, the word voluntary means A number, ready to do something unwillingly, ready to do things willingly. C number, ready to do things forcibly and all of the above. So, the word voluntary means ready to do things willingly. That means option number B is the appropriate answer, ready to do things appropriately. Now, MCQ session is done. We will go to the answer the following questions from your reading of the above text. Then where are gypsy people losing their customers? Look at the answer. Gypsy people are losing their customers in urban population. That means in urban population, gypsy peoples are losing their customers. Now number B. What was the area of waterways in Bangladesh previously? What was the area of waterways in Bangladesh previously? That means before. So look here, it is written, hence their income is threatened then. Secondly, 24,000 kilometers of the previous water. How much it is? 24,000. So look here, the previously the area of waterways in Bangladesh was 24 kilometers, 24,000 kilometers. Number C, what is the area of waterways in Bangladesh now? There are the area of waterways in Bangladesh now is 6,000 kilometers. Okay, 6,000 kilometers. Look at the last question answer. What do the scientists believe? What do the scientists believe? Answer. The scientists believe that Bangladesh will be worst affected country by global climate change. I repeat, the scientists believe that Bangladesh will be the worst affected country by global climate change. Dear students, question number 2, that means answer the following question is done. Now we will go to the fill in the gap or fill in the blank. So look here. 3. Read the following text and fill in the gaps with the appropriate words to make it a meaningful one. So look here, at first we will read the text, then we will write the answer. It was 1995 that Shamima was 15 years old. So here it was 1995 when Shamima was 15 years old. We have learned the word from our EFT book, it will be when. When Shamima was 15 years old, she was the student of class 8. Gaf possessed all the dreams of an adolescent. So look at the sentence properly. She was the student of class 8 having possessed all the dreams of an adolescent. Having, we all know that after having or being, the verb will be in past participle form. So look here, having, having, having possessed, past participle form, all the dreams of an adolescent. Shamima wanted to dash her life by completing her education. What did she do? We will look here. Shamima wanted to change her life. To change her life by completing her education and getting a good job. But Shamima's dreams were nipped in the bud. That means she did not fulfill, or she were unable to fulfill her dream or nipped in the bud when she was married off against her will. She was married off, passive voice or passive structure. She was married off against her will. Marrying off a girl under 18 is dash in Bangladesh. So I hope all of you will understand this. Marrying of a girl under 18 in illegal or unlawful. This unlawful, this is the law. That means whenever a girl will be married, her age must be 18. It is unlawful in Bangladesh. So dear students, look at the end of our board. It is written here SW Scene Part A, question number 1 and 3. I repeat, SW Scene Part A, question number 1 and 3. So look, so 1 has been started from here, 1, okay, up to here 1, that means 3 is there. That means 1 number is MCQ and 3 is your fill in the blanks. These 2 items are your SW. So dear students, look at the board here. I have given my phone number and my messenger ID, okay, Abul Kalam. If you have any kind of problems, so write in the comment box. Inshallah, I will give the answer each and every of your questions. I hope that all of you have understood this important scene part, question number MCQ, that means 1, 2, 3, and keep practicing at home. Do your SW in your SW copy. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.